See, we just talking about data and information. देखो accuracy क्या है? Accuracy basically means how accurate the information is. Okay, for which this means is that for example decimal points proper जगह पे लगे हैं कि नहीं, ये भी accuracy है. Okay, spelling stare and stare. Okay, कि spelling गलत ना हो. Okay, accuracy. Have you not there is no misposition of any character. So accuracy of data is very important as far as the quality is concerned. Quality में सबसे पहला point आता है वो होता है accuracy का. You have to see, are there any flaws in the information? Because if there are flaws in the information, data is of no use. Okay, relevance. You need to see the data आपके पास जो आया है, is it relevant or not? मतलब ये है कि for example, being given a bus timetable when you want to catch a train, you're not concerned about it. Data relevant होना चाहिए. Being told the rental price of a car when you want to buy a car, the user guide for mobile phone. So, I mean, you are not concerned about some data और आपको वो data दिया जाए, I don't want it. You get the point, okay? So data
Yes, sir.
has to be relevant according to your need. Is it relevant according to your need? That's the important thing. Age. आजकल की दुनिया में, if you want to start a business, it's very important that the age has to be checked. People 1 year back, what were they interested in compared to today is very different. Okay, difference आ जाते हैं. So age, how old the data is also very, very important. It has to be updated. Okay, that's what age actually means. Level of detail भी बड़ी important है. Level of detail का मतलब ये है कि how much information is available. Okay, for example, a person orders pizza. They ask for a large pepperoni to be delivered. They forgot to say what type of base they want. Okay, the pizza company does not have enough information to fulfill an order. So that's basically level of detail that how. So information has to be it has to have the level of detail. Okay, completeness, which basically means, for example, person has booked their car in for service over the phone. The mechanic at the garage tells them the name of the street but does not give the building number. So data has to be complete as well. Okay, complete and level of detail. A very good example over here is you can't see it very clearly. I'm sorry, even if I can't. ये एक birthday card है, birthday invitation card. You can see over here is so birthday card में they haven't mentioned, they've written AM, but they haven't written AM over here. Okay, so
They haven't mentioned the venue.
They haven't mentioned the venue exactly, and अगर relevance ये relevant नहीं है.
Day,
Exactly. Why dustbin?
the day and the date.
Exactly. Why would you have a dustbin even? Relevance में आता है ना. So completeness भी नहीं है, relevant भी नहीं है, और हम कह सकते हैं इसमें age तो नहीं है, relevance भी आ गई. Accuracy नहीं है because this is accuracy का point. It's not accurate.
And sir, the card also misses the contact number.
Exactly. Absolutely.